What's up guys, it's BeastBoy6999 and I am back with another Minecraft tutorial. In this we're going to be getting into how to install Optifine Minecraft 1.16.5. This will work either for outdated versions, for the new versions, if there's 1.17 people looking at this from the future, well, it works all. So before I get into this, look how I have 1 subscriber. Can we change this to like 50 by the end of this video? Yeah, I agree. That'd be good. All right, I'm just kidding. All right, so click on the link in the description. That'll bring you to optifine.net/downloads. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have to click the blue download button right here in the middle of the screen. It's gonna bring us to Optifine. Add focus. Don't click anything. Just wait for the 5 seconds to run and then click skip in the top right. It'll bring us to this Optifine load, and we can just click the download button. Click keep, and that's it. Now we're going to want to go to percent app data percent. This will bring us to our roaming files where we can find .minecraft. Once you go into the .minecraft folder, you want to go to the versions. Now what we have to do is we have to go to back to where our thing is, to the thing. We want to open it. We want to open the Optifine 1.16.5. It's going to install for us. And let's just say Optifine is successfully installed. Keyword success. Now that's honestly all we have to do, but you can make sure it's in here, which it is. Optifine 1.16.5. So we can close the versions folder, go into the Minecraft launcher. I have to restart my Minecraft quick. Actually, you don't. JK, you do. I'm just messing with you guys. Alright, so we go into the .minecraft. We want to go to installations, new. Click on the version, and we want to go to Optifine 1.16.5. Click on that right there. Change the icon, make it unique. I'm going to make it a water, and I'm going to name it Optifine. And click create in the bottom right, or click enter. Now we want to go to the play in the top right, change the default, or whatever version's on right here, to Optifine. Now we just want to click play. I understand the risk. Don't warn me again about this installation. Trust me, your Minecraft's not going to break. I did it before. It works fine. Now, as Minecraft's loading, can we take the moment to go to my channel that you are watching right now? All you have to do is scroll down, click the subscribe button, like, and it'll mean a lot for me. A lot. I also have a custom resource pack on right now. You can go to my most recent video, check that out on how to do that. Alright, so anyways, now we're going to go into single player, and we're going to go in. Alright. Now we have Optifine installed. We can check we have Optifine installed by getting a... See, now we can use full bright texture packs. I'm going to turn that on. Optifine can be used for several things, such as FPS booster. Say like some plugins and resource packs like require it actually, and shaders makes your game like just better overall. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave something in the comments. I'll get to it as soon as possible. I'm not the busiest guy. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed.